Summerside, Prince Edward Island. We're situated on the most narrow point of Prince Edward Island, a very windy area. We use the wind farm to protect the environment, to save money, and to assist our electrical utility here in the city of Summerside.
We got 50% integration of wind as used for electrical energy in the community, but that also left us with 15% excess wind energy. So one of those things we did and challenges we looked at was how do we store electrical energy? We had a whole process of creating a retail space and programs where we were actually to show that participating residents and businesses could achieve up to a 42% reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, and at the same time they could save 30% on their cost. 90% of the residents and businesses use furnace oil to heat their homes and hot water. So we had a great opportunity to use the wind farm energy to offset those fossil fuels in the community. The appliances themselves heat ceramic bricks up to a temperature of 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, and then they can supply heat throughout the day by being well insulated. They store the energy very well and efficiently.
When we take our software program that keeps track of what our wind farm does in real time, within a minute we'll know that the wind farm is overproducing or underproducing. And in the same minute, we'll change our load characteristics by making a decision about whether your appliance should be charging or not charging.
The consumer pays for the appliance on the savings of their oil against their savings for the home for heating.
Now for you, the consumer, you don't need to know when it charges up because it is charged when you need it. The computer program is simply going to schedule when it fills back up. It's like driving your car and not caring about the gas tank because someone's keeping it full for you.
It's obvious how it protects the environment, how it's a great benefit to our electrical utility and to our citizens.
We had open houses, sessions for the public to attend if they were interested. If we get enough appliances in the community, we can actually look at expanding our wind integration.